And now to do the lunchtime group. We got the moo cows some lunch. And now we're letting the piggies have some playtime, getting the piggies some lunch. They're, as you can see, far more interested in their lunch than the playtime. Come on, guys. Piggy, 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 piggies. Boris, come on out. Come on out, piggy, 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 piggies. Hi, Charlotte. We get you guys some lunch. We get the chickens some lunch. Yeah, chickens and bunnies in this case, but the bunnies are under the barn right now. They come out and play at night. Yeah. I'm home to get these chickens cleaned out tomorrow. When it starts to thaw, I need to vacuum. Oh. And the turkeys. We got another turkey egg yet today. Let's see. Oh, I bet you there is buried in there, but Boris is going to come get my turkey feed if I go looking for it. Oh no, it's Charlotte sneaking up on me. Come on, guys, before you flip that, let's... throw your lunch out here. Come on. Come on out into the great outdoors. Get some exercise here, guys. There. Guys can picnic outside today. Hey, Boris? Yeah, no kids to ride you today. No kids to ride you today. Go sit on my feet. There, you guys can play out there while I tidy up your stalls. Boris is an awful ear biter. You gotta watch him. Aren't you, Boris? No, there's no food in here, Buttercup. It's all out there. We gotta tackle the pig pens. Not that you can see in there, 'cause there's no light. And we tidied up the horse's lunch. Didn't we, guys? I told you I have no more food for you, Piggy Piggy. Hi, guys. We're doing the farm lunch tour. I come on and say hi to the pigs. Hi, Sunshine. Not getting much time with you these days, huh? No. Hi, Blue. Hi, Tex. Basically come down here and treat your mud fever, your abscesses, or both. Yeah. Make sure you have food, water. Put your blankies on when you need it. That's it. All work and no play. It's no fun, huh? So there, everybody's got their lunch, water refreshed. Time to clean and then back to work with the doggies.